At its worst point, we had 57 airplanes parked on the ramp, and to see them all come back into service and go and start flying again one by one, and to have the last one come through and get it going was really good for morale, good for just the hard work that everybody in this company has done to get us back going again.
I'm Evan Reeves. I've been with Republic for 5 years, and I am an aircraft technician.
My name is Philip Rice. I'm an aviation aircraft mechanic. I've been with the company a little over a year and a half.
Tim Simpson, I'm Indianapolis Senior Base Manager. I've been here 20 years.
You know, it's like if you parked your car in a garage for 6 months, not the same. Yeah, totally not the same. You've got a lot of different factors that can wear on the aircraft over time. And at least in this particular state, you know, humidity being one of them, the outdoor elements being part of that, you got corrosion factors you got to think about, a lot of stuff that most people, you don't think about. You're like, oh, the aircraft is stored or it's just sitting. But yeah, you can't just pull something out of a park program and then throw it out for service. And on top of that, just everything that you have to do to put the aircraft into storage. Just doing those baseline tasks alone, deep preservation, again, that's just something where it's not like you can flip a switch and the aircraft is magically ready to fly. After being stored for 2, 3, 4, 6 months.
Some planes would be parked in and then they'd have to be brought back in because they were extending the parking. So like I said, the seats weren't covered at first.
The teamwork that I've seen, you can just see how everybody really cares to try to help each other out. It's really made me proud to be a member of Republic.